We're at Rural King. Don't ask us how we did this. We have a covered wagon. Thank you guys for tuning in today. Stick around to the end of the video and you'll meet the new additions to the farm. But first, we have got to get this pig pen finished. Day getting ready to install our lock jaws to our T-post. Then we're going to run our poly wire for the Energizer. We are installing poly wire on our lock jaws.
But I don't want to do it again.
Well, if anybody ever has issues, this is what we did. We looped it through, fed it through.
Backwards. And the other one.
Okay.
Okay, yep. All right. It's not good.
There you go.
And then
Perfect.
there we go. Made a corner, right?
Yep, and it's not touching metal.
Yep.
There you go. Get up close so you can see it. We fed it under. All right, so we are first time doing this. We don't want to electrocute ourselves, so we are plugging in. This is our 3-joule Energizer from Rural King. And we've got the grounding rod in. It's really deep. We just connected clamps that we had from our chicken mesh. Yeah. So, gonna hook that up. Got a good connection. I'm gonna plug it in.
Yep.
And we should hear some ticking. All right, it's ticking. And we're gonna use our tester. We'll ground it.
All the light bulbs.
All of them?
Yeah.
That's good. It's a good sign. All right, so that was one of the things we were worried most about because we don't know a whole lot about the electric fencing and things like that. So really, really thankful that's working. So we put it in just a plastic container with the lid. That'll keep it nice and watertight. There you go. Picked up our water barrel for the pigs and the nipple. And that bulkhead, we got that from Lowe's. Hey everybody, the pigs are coming.
Because I'm warning you. This stage is about to explode with major piggy power.
Had to come up and catch the overview. 2 pigs in a blanket. And there's our new additions. This is Biscuit and Gravy. Because you know, Gravy's got little spots and lumps in it. Our newest addition to the farm. We are so excited. Appreciate Dylan bringing them and dropping them off. And just getting them trained. They've already hit the wire a couple times. They are wire trained. But got to get them used to just their pen, the waterer, the food trough, all that stuff. So going to be fun to watch them. They're already rooting through a little bit, but skittish of us, and that'll come with time. So hopefully the more they see us and we're bringing them food and stuff like that, they'll get used to us. So we'll have them for about 4.5 more months. I think they're about 6 weeks old. And Biscuit and Gravy, welcome to the family. Thank you guys for watching us, and we'll